Welcome to another Try Not to Laugh video. And without further hesitation, let's get this challenge started now, right here.
Hey Vsauce, Michael here. Where are your fingers?
You are stupid. They're right here. You stupid.
This is bullshit!
Alright. Let's try not to laugh, because the last time I laughed my ass
I
off.
hope this is a Puff Daddy version of the song. Not that singing piece of shit!
Hey. What are they gonna do to this guy now?
Have you ever been walking down the street with your best bro, and while you're walking you accidentally touch hands? You think to yourself, that was weird, but I'm not gay. You are. You are gay.
Hey, I'll take a number 9, fat boy. Give me a number 9 just like his. Let me get a number 6 with extra.
Grand Theft Auto.
I'll have 2 number 9, number 9 large, number 6 extra dip, and number 7 245, one with cheese, a large soap.
Excuse me, where's the lobby?
Down the hall and grab him by the pussy.
Alright. Donald Trump. I didn't know it was in that movie.
Look, Granny.
I didn't know it was in that movie. T-O-R-N.
Stop. Wait a minute. Heat the oven, put the jewels in it. This is that Auschwitz.
Oh my god, they're doing a voiceover on Hitler.
Mental hospital.
Someone should put you in a box floating down the river, Grandma!
I got this. I'm not gonna fail. Wait a minute.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
There are 3 genders, 4
Guys are
genders,
wrong.
5.
I wrote a blog post a while ago about why I fucking hate video games. Because this is what it does. It appeals to like the male fantasy.
Hey. 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 I didn't laugh.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh my god.
You're
What are you wearing? You
Shut
are.
the fuck up.
Alright.
You're a stupid cunt. Suck my dick.
Oh my gosh.
Shut the fuck up.
Who made these crap, man?
Stop being a fucking cunt. Shut the fuck up.
Oh my lord.
Nobody even wants you here.
इस्लामी रियासत बनाने का प्रोग्राम दिया है। कैमरामैन शवाद रशीद के साथ नजीर भट्टी, एरवन न्यूज़, लाहौर।
Sweet spot back. What does that mean? It means if you can hit it on this sweet spot, you can crush it out of the park.
Oh no, I'm not Walking Dead. What? Wow. Wow. Wow.
Sitting there, I put my face behind my brother's ass. His eye looks into my eye. Look, he starts to laugh. Look. Look, he says, look, he starts up a chant. Go to bed, 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 go to bed. He goes on for ages. Go to bed, go to bed, go to bed. I tried to talk to him. Hey, what do you want for your birthday, Brian? And the electronic rabbit. Brian, my brother is waiting for me to
This is
come
more
on his back.
disturbing
3
as it
hours
is
I'm
fun.
at it. Riddle, diddle, diddle, fiddle, riddle. And all the time my brother is smiling all over his big face.
Oh my
I should not
gosh.
have done that.
Release the Kraken! Oh, it's Godzilla. My bad. Wrong movie. Godzilla. They put that ugly guy's laugh underneath my. Oh god. I'm not laughing. I'm just smiling. There's nothing wrong with smiling.
Driving car, I should be very, very careful when
Driving
driving.
car,
Don't
should
talk
be-
too much. Let's go.
I'm about to say it. Okay, say it. I don't care that you broke your elbow.
I owe you? Nothing. It's for free. Free!
Why y'all gotta do Windows 10 like this? Spider-Man shopping. I've never seen this before. Uncle. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh my God. Why is this so hard for me? Why it's always the last one that always get me laughing? Spider-Man shopping and then look on the shelf and see beans. Uncle Ben's beans. That's messed up, man. God. Well, if you fail the challenge like me, just leave a comment below. I can't believe we lose. We can't believe it. Maybe next time. Alright, so remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again on my next video. And as usual, peace.